Uh, yes, so good evening, everyone. Can you all hear me? Am I clearly audible to each one of you? All of you show your thumbs up. I won't be able to enable my video in this. So that is the reason. All of you please show thumbs up. Very nice, students. Very nice. Yeah, I'll share the screen now. Just check. Can you all see the screen clearly? Which chapter we are doing? You're asking a very good question. We have already come to end of the portions and you're asking me which chapter I'm doing, because the class was at the 4 o'clock only, and that is the reason I started at 4 o'clock only. Okay yeah, we will get started with 16th question now. Plants of blank zone continuously shed their leaves. Shed in the sense the leaf falls off continuously and again the new leaf will grow. So what kind of plants it is? What kind of plants it is? All of you tell me. Yes, it has to be the subtropical zone. Clear now what kind of plants it is? It is the subtropical zone. I hope it is very clear to each one of you. Vinay, the announce was clearly made to each one of you people that the class will start at 4 o'clock only. So for the 16th question, option B is the correct answer, subtropical. 17th question, animals of a blank group can live in both in water and land. Very good question and a very easy question this is. So you all tell me now. Very good. It is amphibians. Name a mammal that is found in water. Name a mammal that is found in water. What kind of mammal is found in water? All of you please answer. Very good. Dolphin is the correct answer. Dolphin is the correct answer. 19th question. Lizard belongs to blank group. Lizard belongs to which group? Very good. Lizard belongs to reptiles. Very good. 20th question. Pisces group contains Pisces. Pisces in the sense what? Pisces. Message only once. You have messaged so many times and that too, that's the wrong answer. Who's that? Pranav. Yes, Pisces in the sense it is fishes. Clear now? Pisces in the sense fishes. Aves in the sense birds. Okay. Name a reptile that do not possess legs. Name a reptile that do not possess a leg. Message only once. Very good. What is the correct answer? Snakes is the correct answer. Next question. Large and flat side teeth help in them too. Cutting, tearing, chewing, all of these. Large and flat side tooth. What is the correct answer? Yes, chewing is the correct answer. Option C, chewing is the correct answer. Okay. 23rd question. In which animal teeth do not help in cutting or chewing? In which animal teeth do not help in cutting or in the chewing? It is okay, pa. Okay, I'll show. Don't worry. Yes, it is the snakes. In the snakes is the correct answer. In which animal teeth do not help in cutting or chewing? It is the snakes. 24th question. In blank grow throughout the life. So which one grow throughout the life? It is very simple question, right? It is the squirrel. Squirrel will always grow throughout the life. So option B is the correct answer. Very good. Option B is the correct answer. 25th question. Front teeth in cat helps in cutting, tearing, both cutting and tearing, chewing. Always you should remember the first teeth or the front teeth will always help in cutting and as well chewing. Clear now? It will help in cutting and as well chewing. Don't write runs. That is what I'm telling. Don't write. Don't write. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Ranjit, we will only give you the PPTs. Why you're taking screenshots? We will forward you the PPTs. Next question, 26th question. Sunbirds which suck nectar. Clear now, sunbirds which suck nectar from fruits and flowers have long, slender and curved beak, long, thin and pointed beak, broad and soft beak, broad and flat beak. Broad and flat beak. Broad and soft beak. Which is the correct answer for this question? Yes, it is option A. It has to be long, it has to be slender, and it has to be the curved beak. So option A is the correct answer for this question. We will go to the next question, 27th question. Slender in the sense stiff one. Slender is the long, that's the synonym part, that's it. Slender, it has to be straight. 27th question. Strong, slightly curved beaks helps in. Strong, slightly curved beaks helps in what? Very good. It helps in crushing the seeds. It helps in crushing the seeds. Option C is the correct answer. Clear now? This is the 27th question. Next, 28th question. We will go to 28th question now. Beaks of sparrows pigeons, and peacock are long and pointed, long and curved, broad and flat, short and hard. Which is the correct answer? Beaks of sparrow, pigeons, and peacock are long and pointed, long and curved, broad and flat, short and hard. So which is the correct answer for this question? Yes, yes. Short and hard is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Kusumant has given the correct answer. Pranav has given the correct answer. Very good. So short and hard is the correct answer. Vinay, this is the diversity of living organisms. Last chapter. Diversity of living organisms. 29th question. The beak of Serinus is a bird, okay, is very long. Fine, it is very long. It helps them to suck nectar, catch insects, crush seeds, tear and eat meat. That's not cat meat, that's eat meat. So now you tell me the beak of Serinus is very long. It helps them to what? Yes, it helps them to crush the seed. It helps them to crush the seeds. Serinus will not suck the nectar. It will crush the seeds. 30th question. A flesh eating bird having broad and curved beak. A flesh eating bird having broad and curved beak is what? Yes, it is the eagle, because eagle only eats the flesh, whereas sunbird, sparrow, and pigeons, they are very uh, papa birds, okay, they don't eat any flesh, but eagle is the only bird that eats the flesh, so that's the correct answer. Just like option A is the correct answer. 31st question. Birds with long and slender legs are usually found in or on tree branches, water, land, all of these. Birds with long and slender legs. Long and slender legs. Please remember, it will be only seen on the land. Yes, so land is the correct answer. Yes, flamingo. Sunbird, it's a bird. It's a kind of a bird. 32nd question. Feet with special webs are seen in. Feet with special web in the sense that's the feet, webbed feet, are seen in which kind of birds? They are seen in the swimming birds. Correct. They are seen in the swimming birds. Fine. 33rd question. In blank birds, two toes point forward and two backward. In which kind of bird two toes point forward and two toes point backward? It is the climbing birds. To get a proper grip, it is like two toes are pointed forward and the two toes are pointed backwards. So option D is the correct answer, climbing. Wading birds have long legs and widespread toes which help them to walk in shallow water. Walk in shallow water. They include crane, jacana, both crane and jacana, and none of these. So you should remember wading birds in the sense that that is generally present on kind of a water which is very shallow. So crane and jacana is the correct answer. Clear now? Very good. The claws of preying birds, preying in the sense which depend on it hunt. The claws of preying birds are strong and sharp, webbed, thin and long, long, thin and soft. You should remember webbed feet is only present in the swimming birds. So it has to be strong and sharp. Option A is the correct answer. Clear now? Okay. I think that's it. So do you have any doubts for the session? Do you have any doubts for the session? Do you have any doubts? Harshil, you will get all the notes in the app. It's done, runs it, it's done. Don't worry. I think not at all, sir. If you explain, we will have no doubts. Thank you, Samarth. I'll show the questions from the beginning. I think some of you had attended late, right? You can take a screenshot of this. Yeah. This is the first question. And this is the second question. See, anyway, I think